was a gathering of the cream de la cream in Nigeria as the families of late Prince Samuel Okwade and Chief Yusuf Ali and Chief Are Dr. Mrs. Adenike Lawal Ali, the Iyalode of Owo Kingdom, celebrate as their children Adepeju Akweke, Okwade and Moshood Oluwasegun Lawal Ali were joined in holy matrimony.
I stand here today in the name of the Most High to declare them husband and wife in the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit. Come and praise them.
Àwa fìyàwó àti ọkọ lé lọ́wọ́. Bàbá ọjọ́ ayọ̀ lónìí jẹ́, ẹ má sì jẹ́ kí ìbànújẹ́ wọnú ẹ̀.
Voici venu le moment tant appréhendé. Je dois te conduire bras dessus, bras dessous, à celui qui prendra ta main devant Dieu et devant les hommes. Ton prince charmant, à qui tu diras oui, pour le meilleur et pour le pire.
Listen, Jane, we've got the chain. What's it, Jane? Oh, each way, each your
Azonje manike maberu kuego.
At the reception, the couple entertained the guests with the latest dance steps in vogue. His Royal Highness Oba Olusoya Adegboyega Dosunmu, the Olowu of Owo Kingdom, was also at the event. He used the opportunity to wish all the Owu descendants all over the world well.
I'm so happy and I'm grateful to many people.
This is David Lucas, Aftv, Nigeria.